Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about the Telegram verification code not receiving. Here's how to fix it in 2025. And the first thing I want you to do right now is make sure both your device and Telegram is up to date. So basically go to settings right there. Let me just go back on the landing page. So if you're using an Android device, basically go to settings as well and look for the software update. Make sure that you have no pending update that should happen on your phone, and I have the latest version of iOS as of now. Next up, I just updated my Telegram last night, so let me check if there's a pending update. So give me this one right here. And basically for this one, search Telegram Messenger, and as you can see, there is a latest update. However, I'm already updated the latest version since last night, so I'm not gonna update it right now, not to take much of your time, but make sure on your end, make sure this is updated. And then basically after that one, if you're still experiencing the problem of not getting the verification code, go to settings. This is also applicable for Android devices. And in this one, I'm just going to go to general, go for iPhone storage. So the problem here would be looking for Telegram. Now looking for Telegram right here, this is also applicable again for Android devices. Just look for the application itself. And what we're doing right now, what's our target? Our target is basically offloading the application. Let me just look for it. I think I cannot find it. Let me just click on this one right here. So basically, I cannot really find Telegram right there. Give me a second to look for it. So in Android devices, basically click it, hold it, click on app info, and you're gonna see Telegram, offload the application, and basically you have it on your end. So let's just pretend that I have Telegram once here. I'm just gonna click one of each right there. All right. I'm gonna click on this one right there, looking for Telegram. I'm gonna go use this one as a sample. So basically offload the application if you're using iPhone. And for iPhone storage, click on this one. Do not delete the application, just offload it. Now, if the problem is still persisting, turn off your location services. Basically go in here, type on location. And as you can see right there, give me type in here full property of location services and basically turn it off. Make sure everything here is off. And then I'm assure you your Telegram will now work. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.